Can this wooden grill scraper work universally with barbecue pits? Thank you to the function for sending time to check out. On the back, we have this bottle cap opener. As you can see, it already has kind of like this pre-cut, but how it's used is that you turn the barbecue pit on and it gets heated up nice and well, and then you're gonna burn the grooves and make the shape of the grill into the grooves of the bristle-free brush. But I noticed two issues. Is that the size of it, especially in the middle part of my grill, that I won't be able to get a good clean of the ones in the middle here, because this one side gets lifted up off the grill. So that's one of the issues. The second issue is the size is different. This bottom grill compared to the top grill has different grooves. So I'm not sure how well that would work. But just to kind of give you an idea that yes, it works if it wasn't for this type of issue and the different styles of grills. You may need to use two different bristle-free brushes to get your specific type of grill if you're switching back and forth. And when it's bristle free, that's one less thing to worry about. Any of the bristles breaking off, getting into your food or into the pit. And also with the long handle, you don't have to get too close to the heat when you're trying to clean your barbecue pit. And this has been the Easy Function Wooden Grill Scraper.